Hello, Roger Foxwell here, and thanks for joining me for this hypnotherapy session for teeth grinding and similar issues. Only listen to this recording in a safe and comfortable place, and do not use when driving or engaging in any task that requires your full attention. Remember, if during this session anything occurs that requires your full attention, you will be immediately wide awake and in full conscious waking awareness. Now, before we start, just make sure you are in a safe and quiet, comfortable place where you will not be disturbed. And settling into that safe, quiet, comfortable spot where you won't be disturbed for 4 or 5 minutes, just close your eyes and begin by letting your body relax in any way it feels like doing so. And you can become aware of your scalp and forehead, taking your time to let your scalp and forehead relax. And notice your eyelids that may begin to feel a heaviness around the eyelashes. And when that feels good, it can seem to help those eyelids be comfortably closed now. And as the relaxation gently and with a pleasant feeling of heaviness moves down your face, it's as if the skin is relaxing even healthier than before, and your ears and the muscles around your jaw seem to be relaxing and releasing a little more distance between them. And you may notice that your left hand and arm are also feeling more comfortable than before. And doesn't that comfort begin in a way that's right, or is it left to spread left or right, up or down, whichever way you like, is all right and is all right now and in the future, as the relaxation continues to sink down to your abdomen and hips and the tips of your toes. Already you may be sensing this release in your toes and feet, and you can do so gently, taking your awareness back to the jaw and feel it, feeling easily, soft, relaxed, and perfectly balanced and comfortable, releasing any excess tension in the muscles. And even during the day, as you go about your business, you will be reminded one way or another how comfortable and relaxed that part of your body feels. And as you recognize your experience with that feeling and take that feeling into your unconscious mind, so you will be able to use those feelings and experiences wherever, whenever you notice it happening. And the relaxation deepens with a satisfying feeling around the jaw, your face and muscles as you continue connecting with your daily life. Still feeling more and more natural with the relaxation in each muscle, each cell, each fiber, each breath, since now there is less to worry about and more to relax as you pleasantly focus on what you're doing. So even as you sleep, you can find yourself waking each morning with your jaw and muscles more relaxed each day. A pleasant and natural relaxation that feels just right, because your brain is now guiding you to find the best possible balance of comfort and ease. And even sooner, perhaps than you think, you will consciously forget to think about those past tensions as you enjoy a wonderful sense of release and natural relaxation around that area and in your thinking as well. And it's your choice to decide what is best for you at this moment in time and that time when you can find your eyes beginning to open very soon and coming back into full conscious waking awareness, and continue to discover what it is you may need to know as you easily make this change your own. And as I begin in a moment to count up from 1 to 5, you will find your eyes opening and you will feel better and brighter every day and more relaxed and focused within yourself. And each time you listen, you will find that things that bothered you in the past will bother you less and less. And things that worried you in the past will worry you less and less. So ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wide awake and back into full waking awareness. Alert, comfortable, and confident, knowing that each time you listen to this, your unconscious mind will continue working on it for you as you go about your daily business. Well done.